Hey everyone, today I finally decided to try out a leaf impression painting that I've been wanting to do for a while. I've always been drawn to the beautiful leaf patterns on this particular tree in my college campus, and I wanted to capture that essence in my artwork. Luckily, our friendly watchman uncle helped me gather some adorable leaves for this artwork. Let's get started with the painting process. So I'm using acrylic colors for this painting. Firstly, I have painted the mini canvas black on all sides including the frame to create a striking background. Then I took a leaf and applied white acrylic paint to the back side. Carefully placing the leaf on the canvas, I pressed it down gently to create an impression. Once done, I removed the leaf. Repeat this process with different sized leaves, and I added a thin layer of blue, or you can use turquoise paint over the canvas, repeating the process until you receive a desired results. So, however, the veins on these leaves are not very prominent, resulting in less defined impression, and I wasn't completely satisfied with the outcome. So I decided to try again. This time I plucked some wheat leaves with thick veins, which would create better impressions. Actually, this time the impressions are pretty good, and it's so satisfying to remove these leaves from the canvas. Look at these beautiful impressions. So, continuing the process, I wanted to add an abstract touch to the painting. So I randomly placed the thin stem of one of the leaves to get small white lines, resembling a splash effect. After completing the steps, here's the final results. Personally, I think I prefer the previous one, but I would love to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comments. Okay, bye bye.